Hey, what's up, folks? This is going to be a video recapping some of my trades on GNPX yesterday. Made about 700 bucks on GNPX. It was all off stream. As you can see, this stock just kind of rocketed up, starting at around 11:30, and just grinded higher all day. And these are the stocks that I love to trade, the ones that grind higher, because it gives you so many opportunities to play the breakouts, to play the dips, all that stuff. So let's take a look at the chart. The first thing that I'm recognizing is where we are on the chart. We've shot right back up to the high day, which looks like it's around 320. So 320 is going to be an interesting spot. We can watch. I don't like taking a trade when we come right up to a level like this, but I think I break my rules here and take a trade anyway. Let's see what I'm looking at. So I see a big order at 320. We're sitting there for a while. Bids are starting to build underneath of us. I hop in there, and then I get out on a nice pop at 324. So on 2,000 shares, 5-cent gain, 5-cent gain in about $100 trade. Now GNPX was on my scanners all day yesterday, and I have a scan that chirps in my ear all day. It tells me the stickers that are moving at any given time. It's based on this volatility score here. And this is what the scanner looks like right now. So right now, Rally and NLSP are getting called out here. So if you want to just monitor what is moving intraday at any given time, you can come over to the diptraders.net/scanner. And I'll show you the filters that you can use to set up your own scanner. You can just select one of the defaults at first and then come over here to filters and just pause the video and take a look at these filters. And you can set them up exactly how I have them, and these will give you things that are just worth your while to watch. These are things you just want to pay attention. They're definitely moving, they're definitely volatile, and then you got to figure out if it's right to trade. And then likewise, if you want notifications, you can turn those on as well. The voice notifications are a paid feature, but you can get browser notifications for free just to make sure you don't miss any stocks. All right, I want to show two more trades, and I wish I had more trades to show you guys, but like I said, I didn't really realize I was doing so well in the stock until later in the day, and I wasn't recording, so you get what you get with this, I guess. I do think this is a pretty educational clip. So first of all, I just want you to recognize where we are, in the trading range. So we are balancing out after a large move up, and balance rules are in effect. So what is balance? What are balance rules? Well, balance is a stock that is ranging, basically. It's trading in a range. And balance rules state that if you trade outside of the range and then back into the range, you should go back to the other side of the range. So right now, it looks like we're trying to break out to the lower end of the range. And what I'm looking for is a failure. And a failure would mean crossing back, basically back into range and then over the midpoint of the range. So let's watch this clip. Let's play it. So we definitely failed to go lower. We had a pretty nice bounce off the bottom. And then I see this big order at 342. Now, I'm going to pause the video because 342 is right about in the middle of this range. So I'm thinking to myself, well, balance rules state that we're probably going to go to the other end of this range now, assuming we can break this 342. So now I'm looking to play off this 342 level. And we've tapped it a couple times, so I'm waiting for buying strength. I do see some bids coming up here. They get eaten through. So more bids show up. There's green. And I'm in. Really quick pop through that level. And then I'm waiting for continuation. I think we're going to get more continuation to the upside. And I'm out there at 348. So a nice little series of trades there. I think I made 6 cents in that little series, and I don't know why I flipped over to another screen there. I should have kept it on the screen because I could have played a break of 350 as well. But thankfully, don't want to stay in too long because look at that flush. Anyway, folks, hopefully I'll have some more good days or some bad days. A good or bad day, I'll show it to you. It just has to be educational. So hopefully some more of those in the future. And with that, take it easy. I'll see you in the next video.